This is the PC-6 Turbo Porter, the Jeep of the air, the world's leading stall, the Porter, a simple and rugged utility aircraft. The principal dimensions are length, 11 meters, height, 3.2 meters, span, 15.2 meters, wing area, 28.8 square meters. The Porter is quickly convertible to a number of commercial and military missions without compromising on performance, reliability, or cost-effectiveness. The Porter can carry up to 11 people. 2 stretchers, 3 attendants, and a crew of 2. Or over a ton of cargo. Conversion takes a few minutes without tools. Freight up to 6 meters can be easily accommodated. Whatever the loading and whatever the mission, the Porter will operate from water, from snow and ice, from normal airfields, or from any unprepared mud, rock, or desert strip. Performance, payload capability, and versatility make the Porter a remarkable aircraft. Any field and any ground condition will do. After freight unloading has been completed, and where the Porter gets in, the Porter gets out. The main characteristic of the Porter is its STOL performance. No other aircraft can match the Porter's short ground roll or steep climb angle. The Porter will lift off and climb to 15 meters altitude in less than 235 meters. Approach angle control and reverse thrust taken to the extreme shortens the landing roll to less than 4 times the aircraft's own length. A Porter pad is everywhere. Landing from a 15-meter obstacle height requires a mere 220 meters. Beta mode operation, a new dimension in propeller control. Approach angles and rate of descent can be controlled and varied without forward speed increase. Beta control also features quick reverse power response. The landing gear has been designed for the most severe conditions. Drop tests and daily use have proved its ruggedness and reliability. The Pratt & Whitney PT-6, the most reliable engine in its class, gives the Porter that extra measure of power, and wide double-slotted flaps that extra measure of lift that gives the Porter its outstanding STOL performance. The flap design gives the Porter a turn capability with a radius of less than 60 meters, 5 times its own length. This allows operations into and out of narrow valleys. The Jeep of the air stays airborne with the speed of the Jeep on the ground, with a minimum speed under 35 knots. Positive control is assured in all flight regions. With a cut-off engine and a feathered propeller, the Porter flies on. A glide ratio of 1 to 10 gives the Porter a range of more than 30 kilometers or 15 minutes from 10,000 feet. Another safety margin typical for the Porter. The Porter is quickly converted to a mapping aircraft. A service ceiling of 30,000 feet makes the Porter ideally suited for aerial photography and survey. The Porter during spray operation. The installation of a removable hopper converts the Porter to an agricultural aircraft. Pilatus Aircraft Limited and Siba Geigy, Switzerland, have developed the most advanced application systems available today. Supply dropping through the large cabin floor hatch, low minimum speed and outstanding maneuverability enable the Porter to perform precision dropping of large items in the most difficult areas. A large sliding door, a spacious cabin and high wing configuration make the Porter the most cost-effective and best-suited aircraft for parachuting. Up to 9 fully equipped parachutists can be accommodated. The sliding door can be closed in flight by the pilot. Beta-controlled descents return the Porter to ground in minimum time. Before the first parachutist reaches the ground, a second group embarks. In snow and glacier operation from the Alps to the polar ice cap. Whether for recreation in ski areas, search and rescue, or expeditions to the snowy deserts of the Antarctic, the Porter is there. On floats, the Porter is the most powerful utility aircraft available today. This then is the Pilatus PC-6 Turbo Porter, in daily use all over the world. The Porter will operate anywhere, anytime, under any condition.